Bonjour, Émilie Talpin, OM System Ambassador in the US. Welcome back to the channel. Let's do this Wednesday recap. I'm here in my printing office slash kitchen slash living room. Yes, I live in a very small apartment. I'm very excited because today I just got a big package from Red River, and those are all the cards that I'm going to print because this Saturday I am back at my local library in Lincoln, New Hampshire for their Christmas show. So they invite local artists and local makers to showcase their products, and we can sell our art and our craft to anybody who comes to the library. It's a great way to support local business. And I'm going to be selling my book, I'm going to be selling prints. I have some really big frames as well that I'm going to exhibit and sell. And I also do sell cards. I think they do pretty well. And I'm super happy with Red River. They had some good discount recently, so I purchased quite a lot of paper to make cards. It's also a great way to promote your business because at the back of the cards I have all the information so people can reach out to me if they like the photos that they receive. So I'm going to be printing for quite a few days because I have quite a lot of cards that I want to print, and I actually have different series and I have 6 different photos in each series. So I'm excited to get printing. But before that, we had a great snowstorm yesterday and everything is just, it's a winter wonderland. So I'm gonna go out, look for tracks in my backyard, see what's going on, and hopefully make a few photos. And I will see you on Sunday. Until then, happy shooting. Au revoir.